This video is a precursor to a much longer video presentation about Bodyshop capacity and planning how to get the best from it. Here, we are showing a tool that manages your capacity to its maximum. Look at what Carl Flint said about our capacity planner.
Said Carl. What we have now is a controlled shop, where you haven't got stuff parked everywhere. There are many great benefits.
Michael Reed.
Said Michael. This is a tool that helps a workshop control team work their fine craft.